myself Jaskirat Singh Sudan. I am an executive member here at muacm. So in this video I will be showing you how you can install Python and Pycharm IDE to begin your Python journey. Python is already installed in Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution. You can check your version of Python by opening terminal and typing Python 3-V, capital V for version. Okay, so I have installed Python 3.8.10 in my system, but I need pip package manager to install further libraries of Python. So for doing that, type in sudo apt install python 3-pip, hit enter, type in your password. Hit enter, and this command will install your pip package manager. Now if you want to install any library, for example I want to install NumPy, then I have to write pip3 install NumPy, and this will install NumPy. I already have NumPy, so that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. So now I have to install Python IDE. So for that I can install Pycharm because it is the best IDE for Python. So for doing that, first I need Snap Package Manager. So for installing Snap Package Manager, just type sudo apt install snapd. This will install Snap Package Manager. And for installing Pycharm IDE, just type in sudo snap install pycharm -community --classic and hit enter. I have already installed Pycharm, so but if you don't have Pycharm, then just type this command and Pycharm will automatically get installed in your system. So to open Pycharm, just search Pycharm and hit enter. Okay, so that's how you set up Python and Pycharm IDE. If you want to know more about muacm, you can find all the details in the description box. That's all for the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.